Welcome back. We are learning about Oracle TDE or Transparent Data Encryption. Now is the time to understand the benefits of TDE. Why would somebody go for a transparent data encryption inside the database? The first key reason is storage media stolen. So guys, as I said, TDE is for encryption of the data at rest. So when I say data at rest, it means that actual storage. What if your entire storage is stolen by somebody? So when I say storage, all your data files are actually residing on that storage. And if you've not implemented TDE, then anybody who has access to your storage or who has access to your database files can easily read any data which is inside the database files. And I will actually prove that inside the demo when we run a strings command on the database files, and you'll see that the entire data is actually visible to you. The next key reason is no changes required to the application. This comes from the keyword transparent itself. Why do we call TDE transparent data encryption? It is transparent because you don't have to make any kind of changes to the application if you have to configure TDE. So the entire work of encryption, when the data is encrypted on the storage and when the data is decrypted, when the data or the blocks are brought from storage onto the buffer cache, is all done on the fly. Everything is done on the runtime. You don't need to make any kind of changes to the application. Now, TDE is required for regulatory compliance. When you go for a lot of regulators and regulatory compliance, like PCI, HIPAA, say GDPR, all these would require you, and if you are building a new application, they'll clearly say that your data at rest should be encrypted. They don't want any loss of data, as we saw in a lot of scenarios when we started learning about Oracle database security. Why security is important? It is the key, because otherwise hackers can easily steal any personal information. And the other key reason or the other key benefit is zero downtime on production. So to configure TDE, to utilize TDE, or to make use of TDE, you don't need any kind of downtime on production. You can easily just simply set up your configuration file inside, or configuration parameters inside SQLnet.ora. You use the administrator key management, AKM, I call it, and you just set a key store. You open or set a new, say, wallet. You open the wallet, you add a master encryption key or ME key inside that, and MEK further encrypts or creates or manages your DEK, which is the data encryption key. So all this work is actually done on the fly or on runtime. So you don't need any kind of downtime on the database, and you can still utilize and configure TDE. So with this, we come to the end of the lecture on benefits of TDE. Thanks for watching.